Chia seeds may be tiny, but they are a super nutrient-dense food that pack a really healthy punch. So in today's video, I'm gonna go over 10 amazingly awesome benefits of chia seeds and why you should be adding more of them to your diet. So let's get started. Okay, so what the heck are chia seeds? Well, they come from a plant that is native to Mexico. In fact, even the Aztec and Mayan cultures knew about chia seeds and their nutritious benefits. And yes, chia seeds are the same seeds that we used as kids to grow hair on those silly lamb and chia animals. Don't act like you didn't have those. So nowadays, chia seeds are sold in supermarkets all over the place. They're in the health food stores. They can be added to salad dressings, puddings, jams, all sorts of things. And they have kind of a nutty flavor. And the cool thing about chia seeds is that they're super easy to just toss into your food. If you don't happen to like the texture of chia seeds, or like in chia pudding, if you've ever had that, you can always grind them up. Either way is gonna be easily digestible and good for your health. Plus they mix well with liquids, so they start to form a little bit of a gel, so they kind of make you feel fuller as you're eating as well. Chia seeds can help reduce chronic inflammation. So like I mentioned before, chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce and have a great effect on inflammation. In fact, there was a study that showed that having 37 grams of chia seeds every day helped reduce inflammatory markers in the blood. Additionally, with that added fiber, you're also gonna help your digestive system out, which is also going to help reduce overall bloating and inflammation. Chia seeds can help reduce blood sugar levels. So they actually can help reduce and stabilize blood sugar levels, which can help increase your sensitivity to insulin, which is a really good thing because it's going to help you avoid issues like diabetes and high blood sugar. Chia seeds are good for bone health. So there's a ton of micronutrients in chia seeds, including phosphorus and calcium. And calcium is a great help to bone health. And there's that added protein in there as well, which is also helpful. There's actually a controlled study that showed that by just adding in supplemental chia seeds, increased bone density and bone health in the subjects. Chia seeds can reduce your risk for heart disease. So heart disease can be caused by a number of factors, including inflammation in your body, added weight, and high blood pressure. There's actually been studies that have shown that chia seeds can help reduce and regulate your blood pressure levels, all the while making it helpful to reduce your risk for heart disease. Chia seeds contain beneficial fatty acids. Chia seeds actually can help increase levels of alpha-linoleic acids in your body, also known as ALAs, which is a type of fatty acid which is very beneficial. While also getting those omega-3 fatty acids from meat sources like salmon is really beneficial, this is a really good plant-based option for you. Chia seeds help with weight loss. So if you've watched my video on eating more protein and fiber, you know that both of those play a really large role in reducing overall weight and inflammation. Plus, the protein in chia seeds helps to keep you fuller, longer, and more satiated, so you are not feeling hungry and snacky. So that's that benefit of when you have them in your system and you're digesting them, they expand, so they help you feel fuller longer. So chia seeds are a great source of plant-based protein. In 2 tablespoons, you get 4 grams of protein, so you can add that in as you're going in your day. If you have no idea how much protein you should be eating, check out my video on how to calculate your macros. I'll link to that below for you. Chia seeds are super high in fiber. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have 11 grams of dietary fiber, which is awesome because that's pretty much half of what a woman needs on a daily basis and about 1/3 of what a man needs. So it is a really great way and an easy way to just add that into your daily routine. Chia seeds are high in antioxidants. So antioxidants are really valuable for our body because they fight off free radicals, they help us reduce our risk of cancer, and they keep our body functioning. And chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse with all of the micronutrients and macronutrients that they contain. And they are very, very versatile. You can even use them as an egg replacement. So let's talk about the nutrients in chia seeds because it's pretty incredible. So in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, you get 11 grams of fiber, almost 5 grams of protein, 7 grams of unsaturated fats, and that's including omega-3 fatty acids, which are really good for you. Plus micronutrients like copper, zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin E. And all of that is about 140 calories. So they're like crazy good for you. Check out my video on the benefits of apple cider vinegar so you can keep adding in those nutritional boosts, and I will see you in the next video.